Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review these string lights. I have received this one to review and getting closer to the Christmas time, so more and more of these devices and products are sent to review. So this one is called string light and it's a kind of decoration light. Let's open it up and have a look what we have got. So it looks like this. Well, there's no user manual either, so let's see. I think this is our light. It's a kind of string light indeed. We can open it up, have a look. Quite a tiny and small product actually. And there we go. Well, actually this is pretty cool, I would say. The reason is you can make a shape with that. So look, check it out. It's a kind of wire, in fact. So you can see the wires. These are the wires going through. What I'm not sure is these wires, they are supplying the DC power. So if they are connected to each other, does it work? We need to try it. This thing, let's open it up. Right, we need 4 batteries. Let's put the batteries in. There we go. Second one, third one, and fourth one. Let's close the cover, and this can hang to somewhere. So number 1 is a kind of combination. Looks like this. Alright, so these wires seems like they have a kind of cover on top of them. Interesting. I haven't seen anything like that. It's pretty cool actually. So you can make a shape with it. Check it out here. So you can actually open them up like this. And you can hang them somewhere as well. And there is also the remote control for it, which is pretty cool. Let's open it up. We need to remove this part so we can turn it off. We need to point to this one, turn it on. Number 1 is the first mode, which is combination mode. Number 2 is in waves. Number 3 is sequential. Number 4 is slow glow. Number 5 is flashing. Number 6 is slow fade. Number 7 is flash as well. Number 8 is steady on, and basically you can lower the brightness as well. Now is the lowest. Now it's going up. There's also the timer. 1 time, 2 times. So by blinking actually shows what's the timer function and you can turn it off. Pretty cool, very straightforward. That's pretty much it. Hope you liked it. If so, give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, take care, thank you, and bye bye.